Hello and welcome back. I want to build upon the previous lesson where we talked specifically about the AWS exam and how to prepare for it, and touch on some of the other features that are available to you as part of this course. So, as we know, we've already discussed the Orion papers, which is certainly the keystone feature of this particular course, but there are a lot of other course features as well, which are listed over here, which is the course scheduler, live labs, practice exams, note cards, community, and various study tools. So let's go through these one by one so you have a good understanding of the other features that are available to you as part of this course. So first, the course scheduler. What is the course scheduler? Well, this is a way for you to create a study schedule for yourself. So let's say that you have several hours per day or several hours per week available for you to study. Well, you can input the time that you have available to study spread across multiple days. And what it will do is it will set up a study schedule for you and send you reminders and also tell you which lessons you should be able to take to fit into those specific timeframes that you have on any given day of the week that you have selected to study. So here's just a way to help keep yourself organized and motivated and up to date with what you need to accomplish within the particular course. Next is our live labs, and live labs are included in almost every single section in this particular course. And the purpose of live labs are to practice what you have learned throughout watching the video lessons. Now, there's a link right here. You can click on this for live labs, and this is a video which will teach you how to use the live lab environments, how to log in, what its purpose is. So this is a great resource here if you have any questions about live labs and how to use them. Next are practice exams. So at the end of each section, there is going to be a short quiz, anywhere from 5 to 15 questions, and you should complete these before moving on. But then also at the very end of the course, there is going to be a final practice exam, which is used to help mimic the actual exam that you're going to take. Now, you do have to pass this a total of 3 times in order to achieve 100% here on the progress bar for this course. Next is note cards. So right here under note cards, you can click on this here, and what we've developed here is a note card system for you to use to study, kind of like flashcards. So what you can do is you can use your own, or you can use the instructor provided deck, which you can find right down here. You can click view this deck. And this is a deck which has been created by me, the instructor, for you to use. But note cards basically a way for you to put a front and back on a particular card. It's a great tool to help memorize all the things that you need before going into the exam. Next, let's talk about the download section or the study tools section of this course. So under the downloads, this is where we provide helpful links and information that you may need to know, which is supplemental to the course. So here is the link to the Orion papers if you need it. Here is a link where you can download the AWS CSA exam blueprint. Here's another link to a blog post that I wrote about troubleshooting EC2 connectivity issues. And then there's a link to all of the various white papers provided by AWS that you should read before taking the exam. Next, we're going to take a look at our community. Now, our community here is a great way for you to interact with other students and instructors, a way of you for asking questions and reading and possibly answering other questions that are being asked by students. So by clicking on Interact with Students here, you can pose a question which is going to be posted into the community specifically for this course. And then you can view the community as a whole by going up to Community here, clicking on Interact with Students. And what you will see here is all of the posts by you and by other students and the answers by other students or by instructors. It's a great way to be involved in our Linux Academy community here and help keep you engaged with your studying and training. Also, there is the ability to start a study group, and this is where we've created a platform that allows you to join with other students and study specifically this course material. So it will allow you to work together, communicate together, and plan times where you can meet online and study amongst yourselves. So again, those are just some of the other features that are available to you as part of this course. And if you have any questions about any of these features, please feel free just to post a question in our community. And with that, we will conclude this lesson. Thank you for watching. You may now move on.